Hello friends, what's good? Today we are doing another trail, a similar trail. It's the Pelham Trail. Good old nice and easy trail.
I got us one.
So we're gonna do the Pelham Trail. It's a nice and quick and easy trail, but like most of our friends, we've been getting or feeling a lot of cabin fever. So today more than anything is for us to just make some food and just be in the woods a little bit. So we got a squad of 5 cars. We'll show you those in a bit. But yeah, let's get it. Alright, getting started right off the bat. Remember, I've done this trail many times. It's very muddy. This is an overall marshy kind of area, but it's a pretty stock friendly trail. Let's see how all our friends do. now. It's been a nice little technical trail. It's, like I said, easy. But like I said, we want to make food, and we haven't quite found a spot yet in this area. So we're using Gaia maps to find a trail nearby, and hopefully we find just an open space where we can set a fire up and cook. But things are going well so far. Peace. So we went ahead and tried another trail to find a nice spot to make a little campfire, make some food, but it proved to be a dud. It was very swampy and muddy, the area that we went to. Had some racist vibes too, a lot of signs that weren't very welcoming. But we're gonna head back to the OG trail, the Pelham Trail, and try to make do with the available space there, despite our 5-car fleet. So we're gonna just clear out here and make our way down. We're spotting.
Passenger, all the way.
Straighten out. Straighten out.
Straighten out a bit.
Yep.
Good. Turn, passenger.
Watch your side.
Passenger, you're good. Yeah. You're good. You watch that side, you're good.
Okay. Come straight. Come straight a little bit. Alright, now cut it. Cut it. Easy. Pork sausage. This is Brazilian picanha and linguiça de porco. So if you don't know, Boston has a massive Brazilian community. Yours truly is also Brazilian, and every time we have barbecues, we get meat from the Brazilian butcher shops because you gotta taste it to know, but it's really good.
That's like what these.
Dude, I hear someone talk Spanish here, and then I'm like, oh my god, that guy's it's crazy.
Yo, my friends suck. They're all like, yeah, what's up?
And our homie Dong here installed a cutting board, mountain hatch, cutting board for on his Tacoma. We're using for the steak. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Content uploaded regularly. Thanks again.